What's happening, guys? JD at JD's Custom Boogies. Just want to do a quick walk around on this project. This is a American Sportworks Carbide. It was previously raced by someone else. It got passed on to a newcomer, and it's going to be the number 30 this year in MBX. And it was a bit of a, it had been rode hard and put away wet. And we got it to work on about a week and a half ago. So what you see here is basically a week and a half's work. We were trying to get this done. We're due to leave for Tennessee in about a week and a half. So trying to get our MBX guys all sewed up, which I believe the first date of the year will be at Mesa Motorsports Park. And that is on March 29th. So this is a last minute entry. And what we got done this week, or in the week and a half, first we got the motor. So we got the motor redone. It's all freshened up. As usual, MBX motor. It's got 61 millimeter cylinder in it. Got a performance head on there. Both are SSPG. And then the slide carb kit, which is already on. Most of the stuff is on here. The slide carb kit was already on there. He had a rattler on the motor already. Exhaust pipe, we just sandblasted it and repainted it for him. And this was basically a quick and kind of on the budget deal. You know, he had purchased the buggy and then brought it, and we walked around it and see what we needed to do. Has blaster shocks. It's actually, there's a blaster shock install video. This was the buggy I did it on. So the rear set was already set. And then the roll cage it had been rolled over. So the roll cage was a mess. So he asked me what I could do for a roll cage. And I showed him some of my previous work, and he said, go for it. So because the hood has always been missing, we did a little something in the front there just to close the big hole. And then we have a good welded cage on there. So should be plenty safe in there. The other thing we had to do on the fly, besides the motor, besides the roll cage, we didn't install, these are actually Bronco shocks for TRX 300. Bronco is an aftermarket company who does like shocks for like utility quads and stuff like that. But they are heavy duty gas shocks. I've used them on a couple Spider Box builds and they work really well. In fact, the number 36 Yerf Dog is running the same shocks on the front of his Yerf Dog. So wheels and tires, again, like we were trying to stay on the budget there, so we had some takeoffs that we had sold them, and then all the electrical and electronics were redone. We just ripped everything out that was in here. I had previously done the other work on it, but it was well weather worn. This buggy had seen a lot of days outside, so everything is in there. When I say everything, there's really not that much in there. All the wiring is in there. On this guy, obviously you can see the rectifier on the top, and then inside the box is the battery, the fuse, and the starter solenoid. We installed one of these Banjing microchip CDI coil deals. At this point, I believe just about everybody in MBX is running them now. They're a really good unit. So, and that really makes for a lot less wiring and stuff going back and forth. It's very easy to install. It's a DC operated unit. So basically all you have is a wire, a ground, and a trigger. And you can basically customize that and incorporate it into, you know, your buggy pretty easily. I've got a couple videos on installing them on different situations, AC and DC. So, but this is it. It's a real, like I said, real quick video, real quick walk around. I haven't been really active. We've just been really busy. The last couple of weeks, we've been back in Florida since January, the end of January, and had to tie up some stuff here. And now we are about a week and a half. We'll be heading back. We're going to miss the MBX season opener, which kind of stinks. But I mean, I knew this day was going to come sooner or later. So it looks like we've got a pretty good crowd. So that should be exciting. Hopefully, if everybody wears their GoPros, I'll have some video to post on the channel of some races. And I'm actually using my phone to take the video because we accidentally left the camera bag up in Tennessee. So the few videos that I'll be posting before I go back up are basically phone vids. But that's it for now. If you guys need any parts, gotbuggies.com. If you like what you see, hit subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. And that's it. Thanks, guys. JD's out.